The New Mexico Attorney General's office has filed charges against a former Albuquerque police officer who took part in an unlawful arrest of a person with disabilities. According to the Attorney General's office, former Officer Kenneth Skeens played a role in the unlawful arrest of a person with disabilities who was struggling to complete a purchase at a retail store. Skeens has been charged with false imprisonment, perjury, and making a false report and battery.
All I gotta have is just permission that you guys want to stop. He said counted it. I know that. He's trying to make sure that like it looks like he's doing something. He's just trying to kill time. And how he looks really.
You know how they do that? They have that new show for SO? Like SO's on a show now?
I'd get in so much trouble. They put him with me for one night and I'd get in trouble.
Oh,
well, you gotta turn that off and we're not in the car mode. Can't have the camera.
you guys make
Good. Okay. Got you. You took too long. Go ahead and take your money out. Go ahead and grab all your money. Let's walk out, okay? Take your money out. Do you want to walk us to walk you out or do you want to walk us out? Go ahead and put your money out, man. I'm going to move this back, okay? You're coming with us, okay?
You gotta go.
Gotcha. Take your money out. You're coming with us now, okay?
I just was going
So go ahead and grab your money, sir. We'll be walking out, okay? Go ahead and pick your money out.
Can I please
So we're going to grab your money out for you. Do you want to walk us to walk you out or do you want to leaving, okay? And we're going to pick your money out, okay? You're going to issue this criminal trespasses that you can't come back to this business anymore, okay?
I was just getting my money out. I just was getting
So go ahead and grab your money, sir. So here's your money. Put it in your pouch.
Can I please
So we're going to grab the money for you, okay?
Can I please I got all the
We're
money.
leaving, okay? Walk down, okay? And you're going to be identified, okay? And you're not going to issue this criminal trespasses that you can't come back to walking out, okay?
I'm calling 911. I was just getting my money out. I don't want to lose it. I got my I'm calling 911. No. I'm calling 911.
That's okay. You're walking out, okay? Walking out. We'll just grab you.
I got my no, I
down, man.
I did do this.
We're not playing with you, man. Sit down.
I'm calling 911. No.
Try to hit any of us,
I
okay?
ain't hitting anyone. You're insulting me.
Alright, you get an ID on you, man? We'll just grab you, man.
I'm not giving you any idea.
You don't identify yourself under arrest, okay? That's what it's going to be.
No, you're not
Sit down,
police.
man.
Yes, we are.
I recognize your security.
Sit. Don't try to hit any of us,
I
okay?
ain't
What's your
hitting
name, man?
anyone.
Just sit down.
You're insulting me.
Alright, you get an ID on you, man?
I'm not giving you any idea.
If you don't identify yourself, you're under arrest, okay? Which is it going to be?
You're not police.
Yes, we are.
Yes,
We're
we are.
Albuquerque
No,
Police
you're
Department.
not. Your security.
No.
You got your pen and pad?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. So what's your name, man?
None of your business.
Alright, then you're under arrest. Go ahead and put your hands behind your back. You're refusing to identify yourself, correct?
Who you calling, man? You ain't even
He's
pressed
calling
call
911. That's what he said anyway. So yeah, just go ahead and put him in handcuffs, because he's refusing to identify himself.
yet. Okay, hold on.
I was just paying. I was just had
What
my
happened,
stuff
RCPD?
locked in my fanny pack,
No, just go ahead,
and the security guards came, and I didn't take more time than anyone else. The other ones before me.
So now you're going to be charged, okay, with concealing identity, resisting officers, okay?
No,
And you're going to be trespassed, so you can never come back here again, okay?
Stand up.
No, that's not right. I was just paying my things.
Henry's
And I didn't know you were a police officer.
Yes, we told you that already.
I didn't see your badge.
Okay. Well, we told you, right?
You
We
what?
all have badges. It's not our fault you didn't look, man.
We identified
Security
ourselves.
guards say they're
No,
police officers
We
all the
identified
time.
ourselves as Albuquerque Police.
Let's
We
go
had a
ahead and get
reason
them
to talk to you.
stood up and search.
The reason to talk to you was they didn't want you in there no more, okay? So we have the reason. We asked you your name. You didn't give us your name. That's
What was the
concealed identity.
reason?
They didn't want you there, and they have that right as the business not to want you there anymore. Okay? So what you need to do, we're gonna help you stand up. We're gonna put you in that patrol unit over there. Okay? Sound good?
No, it don't sound
Well, that's what's gonna happen.
good. Hey, don't.
He already hung the phone.
I didn't do nothing.
Come on.
Go ahead and stand up, man. Take a step for me and stand up.
No, because I didn't do nothing. 911, help me, please.
No one's on the phone, man.
I think they're police officers. I didn't see their badge. I didn't know they're police officers.
Everything's on camera, just so you know. Everything is being recorded by our on-body recording devices, okay? So it's going to show that we identified ourselves as Albuquerque Police. We told you that why they didn't want you in there anymore. You became very resistant in the store and out
No,
here.
I didn't.
We asked
I
you your
didn't.
Okay, sir, well, you know what? I'm done
I'm
explaining. I'm done explaining to you. That's fine. I'm done explaining to you. That's fine. You're under arrest.
Because I didn't think you were. No, that one, my bag is even
They gotta come off, man.
You can't take them to jail with you.
Did they come off at all?
Probably in the back. They're tied.
I didn't do
You're gonna have to cut them off.
nothing.
You got a knife or
I
anything?
have a knife.
No, you better not
We're
take
gonna
the.
have to get him standing up, though. I'm not gonna
Can
put
you
it.
stand up, man? Are you gonna work with us at all? Because we gotta stand you up. You're under arrest, okay? That's not changing now.
For what?
Concealing identity, resisting officers, okay?
I didn't know you were police officers. How can
I told you.
conceal?
That's your own fault. You didn't listen, okay? I can't help you with that. You don't want to listen. But go
I
ahead, just
didn't
stand up, okay?
believe you were police officers.
Stand up. Well, you didn't believe us?
You
Doesn't
look
matter.
like security guards.
Go over here.
No.
Don't resist anymore. Stop.
Just walk, man.
No.
Just walk.
No.
All right, we gotta search you, okay?
You
You got anything on you that's gonna poke us, prick us, cut us, or hurt us?
Yeah, I got a couple of knives.
You got a couple of knives on you?
Yeah.
Any needles?
I didn't do nothing. I was just about to pay my money in the automated system. I was putting my money in and you came into and you threw me out. You without even identifying me.
That's
And then
too
you
much. We can't separate right now. Remember, the subject's highway
you
39.
said later you said you were
All right,
police
sir.
officer.
Don't make movements, man.
That's all I'm doing, type. Yeah, get those bags off you, man, okay?
I can take them off. I'm the only
No,
one
we're
that
not
can take them
uncuffing
off. No, you're damaging my property.
That's fine, man. Like I said, we can't get them off of you. We have to cut them off.
I can get them off myself. Just let me.
This one's right here.
Just
We're
let
good.
me take it off myself.
Does it come off?
Just let me take it off myself. Will you please? Will you let me take it off myself? Will you let me take it off
We're
myself?
gonna get it off. Calm
Still
down.
tied. Sir, I cut it.
I will take it off myself.
No, we're not letting you take them off, man.
Once handcuffs come on, you're gonna try to run, and then we're gonna, it's gonna be worse.
No, I'll take it off with the ankle.
There you go.
No, I
Boys,
didn't
you wanna
do
swap
my
my
money.
seats?
My money is my private
You
property.
wanna swap
Yeah,
my seats here?
yeah, of course.
You're not gonna be able to go to the jail.
I'm gonna get gloves and check his bags.
You didn't
That
give
don't
me
matter.
any proof. You didn't show me
You don't
your
need
record.
proof. We told you who we
I've had security guards tell me they were police.
Well, then,
before.
sorry those security guards told you that, but they...
We are actual law enforcement officers, okay, man?
Yeah,
Just
I
because some people
didn't
don't believe you,
believe
doesn't
because
matter. Separate your feet. So, let me ask you this. You know we're cops now, right? Do you want to identify yourself?
Yeah.
Hang on 1 second. Do you have an ID anywhere? Where's your ID at?
Yes.
What's your name? Tell me your name. You gonna tell me anything, man?
Not till I get a lawyer.
Well, that sucks to suck, man.
I have to say anything.
Well, you have to identify yourself still.
No, I have the right to remain silent.
Not when it comes to your name.
No, that's
You do, but that's why now you're going to jail for concealing identity, right?
You're gonna have to get into this one for it. It's all tied up, man.
Okay.
Or better yet, kind of see your name.
Yeah.
You just throw that trash in the ground.
That's not trash. That's important
Okay,
paper.
stop.
And I need my paper.
All right, you know what? Put your chest here.
No, you're damaging my property.
That's fine, man. Like I said, we can't get them off of you. We have to cut them off.
I couldn't get them off myself. Just let me.
This one's right here.
Just let me take it off myself. Just let me take it off myself. Will you please? Will you let me take it off myself? Will you let me take it off
We're
myself?
going to get it off. Calm down.
tied. See, I cut it.
I will take it off myself.
Once handcuffs come on, you're going to try to run, and then we're going to, it's going to be worse.
No, I'll take it off with handcuffs.
You just give me the money, man.
No, I ain't giving you my money. My money is my private property.
Yeah.
We're gonna take it. Otherwise, you're not gonna be able to go to the jail with your money.
I'm gonna get gloves.
Yeah.
No,
You got to go to jail with the money.
I can go to jail.
Stop. Yeah, stop.
Stop trying to put it away, man. You got me?
Separate your feet.
It's my money.
That's fine, then clutch in your hand, but stop trying to reach into your pocket.
Cell phone. Another cell phone, huh?
I didn't do nothing.
We told you what's going on. Stop.
I didn't
I'm
know
done
that.
with you.
You
Stop.
didn't explain it.
Separate your feet.
You didn't show me your badge.
I didn't have to. We identified ourselves.
You just said.
Well, we are cops, so we are police officers, so
You didn't
that don't
give me
matter.
any proof. You didn't show me
you don't
your
need
badges.
proof. We told you who we were.
I've had security guards tell me they were police.
Well, then, sorry those security guards told you that, but
We are actual law enforcement officers, okay, man?
Yeah,
Just
I
because some people don't believe you.
Separate your feet.
So, let me ask you this. You know we're cops now, right? Do you want to identify yourself?
Yeah.
Hang on 1 second. Do you have an ID anywhere? Where's your ID at?
she has a lot of...
What's your name? Tell me your name. You gonna tell me anything, man?
Not till I get a lawyer.
Well, that sucks to suck, man.
I have to say anything.
Well, you have to identify yourself still.
No, I have the right to remain silent.
Not when it comes to your name.
No, that's
You do, but that's why now you're going to jail for concealing identity,
You're
right?
gonna have to get it.
Okay.
Or better yet, kind of see you.
Yeah.
You just throw that trash in the ground.
But that's not trash. That's important
Okay,
paper.
stop.
And I need my paper.
All right, you know what? Hold on. Put him up against the car. You're going to put your chest here.
You gotta take
Put your
all
chest
my-
here. Put your chest here.
You gotta
Thanks for doing that.
give me all my property.
Yeah, separate your feet. Thank you. Okay, look forward. Don't look at me.
Face this way, man.
You gotta take all my property.
Face this way, man.
You gotta take all my property.
Yes, we know.
I'm a good Christian. I love America and I love Jesus and I'm a conservative. I wouldn't do anything bad or wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't know
Knock it
you
off.
were police officers. That's my
We're not
way.
talking about this anymore. Okay, we're done.
I'm an honest citizen.
Keep
I
looking at
obey
this,
the
at your
laws.
reflection, okay?
I obey the laws all the time.
Hey, brother, these aren't your
because they're
prescriptions.
good
Unfortunate.
laws.
Unless your name's Matthew.
What's your name?
Is it Matthew McCannis?
And,
Ooh, that sounds like a name.
and then I'm a good Christian and I love America's laws because
Well, I
they
hope your
keep
name's
us
Matthew,
safe.
otherwise you're getting charged with trafficking because this is a lot of drugs.
Face this way.
That is prescription drugs.
Okay.
Face this way.
You guys, my name.
Face the wall, or face this.
So he's Matthew.
Look at yourself.
Hey, Floyd, I think his name's Matthew.
Yeah, I'm a good Christian and conservative.
Okay, you know what, man? We're sorry, but we tried our hardest to make this easy. You made it super tough on everyone.
I thought you were security guard.
Alright.
For real.
Good.
I thought
Yeah,
you
my
were-
side's good. I
I
don't
thought
know.
you
My
were
side's good.
security guard.
Cool.
If you would've
Still wanna take his belt?
told me your badges, I wouldn't have.
we identified-
You wanna take his belt?
Yeah, we're gonna take it.
I would've did whatever.
Your belt's gonna come off, okay? For the jail purposes. Go ahead, pull it. Right.
My pants will fall down.
Your pants are gonna. Do you want to leave it on until we get to jail?
I got his ID for us.
Okay. Go ahead, run in. Alright. Hey, unlock your car too.
Give me my papers.
Okay, we will. Hold on.
Yeah, take out my papers. I didn't mean to do anything wrong. They just didn't want me there, and then
Look, man, I told you.
I
Target didn't want you here.
had my money locked up in my fanny pack.
Target no longer wanted you
and
here.
it takes
Listen to
me a
me.
while.
Give me a chance.
Okay,
I'll give you a chance. I've let you talk.
I
Target didn't want you here. We asked you to meet and you refused. You started to resist. We brought you outside. That's what happened.
didn't know
And
that
then
was
I get that, but we identified ourselves. That's not our fault. All we have to do is identify ourselves. I'll physically.
I know what you're saying.
They can say that all they want, but I have camera on.
But you didn't show me your bag.
I don't need to, man. I'm just gonna say Albuquerque Police, you are detained for this reason. You try to run, force be used against you.
No, I didn't try to run.
I'm not saying that, but I'm telling you what we gotta say. Alright? You know what I'm saying?
You can't
He's
say
Matthew
I
McManus.
never taken on.
Matthew McManus, that's your
I
name?
never taken on.
So Matthew, here's what you're under arrest for, okay? Concealing identity and resisting evading obstructing officers, okay?
No.
That's what you're under arrest for.
I
It's
don't
a
have
Marcus.
to. I thought I didn't. I don't have to.
Do that. You're
So
under arrest,
I did to.
So if you could,
security guard.
you could release your money
I
from me,
thought
Hey,
this is
drop
my
your money. We're taking it with us.
drop it, man.
Eh,
It'll be
I
checked
thought
in.
you were security.
Drop the
so
money,
I
man.
Here, give it to me. Give it
so
to
I
me.
didn't have
Give it to me. I'll make sure it goes with all your
I
Drop the
stuff.
money,
didn't
man.
have to say my. I did. I
It's
didn't
okay.
have to
It's
say
going
my
with
name.
you. It's going with you.
Everything else in your hands.
We're not gonna steal your money. That's not us. You got bags? Evidence bags for us property? Alright.
Hey, Floors, you want to check, make sure the tank is tight enough?
Yeah, give me the
I'm going to you guys.
Alright, hold on. Trade me then.
I didn't
Hold
do
this money.
anything wrong.
761, you can show me 10-8, 10-7, please. Good night.
Kind of loose. So kind of loose.
No.
I'm going to.
We're good?
Yeah, hold on.
I
Check
swear
it.
to you.
Yeah, he's good.
I didn't do anything
Step in, man.
wrong. I
Sit
didn't
in.
That's
do
fine.
anything
Go ahead and take a seat in this vehicle.
Pick up my papers.
Yeah, we'll pick them out, man. Go ahead and take a step in the
Okay,
vehicle.
pick them up.
Put your feet in. Don't catch a felony charge by hitting me or anything. Step in.
Just make it easy, man. Don't miss it.
But I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong at all. All I was paying for my things.
Yeah, it was explained to you
And
many
you
times,
had to
man.
cut off one of my fanny packs. You know, you saw how hard it is to get my money out. And I was trying to get my money out, and I got it all out. And then you came, and I thought you were a security guard.
He has a wand. Hold on. You want to hold his money just so we don't lose it?
Yeah.
Oh, here you go. Got a filter there.
There's a bunch of different ones. We've got... Doesn't say what these are. One of them is Wanda Pen.
Wand pain.
Yeah.